Okay, hi guys. Well, this is one of my primer catchers and didn't quite pass muster. There's some things I don't like about it. Anyway, I only sell good ones. I spent over 2.5 hours making this one, and don't really care how it came out. This is my design where I have a metal nut stored up inside this pocket here. I seal that pocket with the same material to make it really strong. On the back I have a screw that's threaded in there so that you can adjust the catcher to fit up against the ram just perfectly. This catcher has been refined and works extremely well. I suggest that you look at my feedback on Facebook, my group called Loader Tools, and look at the feedback on eBay. Anyway, I haven't done this before. I'm kind of wondering what will happen when I hit it, this 8-pound sledge. It's pretty good. Be honest with you, it is holding up pretty dang good. Now, the unique thing about the plastic that I use, it's a little harder to use. But the good thing about it is, if we take acetone on a Q-tip and wipe over this, it'll look brand new. If it was ever to crack, and you put acetone on it, on the crack, and just clamped it, it'd be stronger than it ever was. Some of the guys are making them out of PLA, and PLA is easier for the novice to print, and that's why they use that. I can guarantee you, I use the best material. I pay extra for the better quality material so that I don't have problems like I had with this one, which I'm not going to say, but this one didn't pass my test. And I like to give people a good quality product for a reasonable price. And I'm going to give it another couple hits. That's pretty amazing. To be honest with you, I thought it would have... It's just a little dent right there. This is an 8-pound sledgehammer. Kidding me? I gotta quit. This is my basement. Alright. Thanks for watching. Come and visit me, loadertools.com. There's a link to my Facebook group. And another note about my things, I finish them. They are ready to put on your press. There is no user tapping holes, putting screws in there. Everything is put together. It includes 3 feet of hose. It includes my primer directors for the slot. You cannot get a better deal for the money that I charge. I do this mostly as a hobby, and I'm very competitive. I don't spend as much time as the other guys doing the advertising. But I consider both of us lucky. I'm serious about making a good product, and I'm serious about giving you a decent deal. Satisfaction guaranteed. Thanks for watching. See you on the web.